As we think about sustainability, perhaps the biggest challenge facing humankind is to coexist with nature. If we want to flourish, nature must flourish too. And the technology industry has a significant role to play. There is waste around the world from technology and its packaging. The good news? Companies are working to change through reduced packaging and critical programs like upcycling, in which electronics are not simply pulled apart and recycled, but used as building blocks for entirely new devices and services. Samsung's Galaxy Upcycling program does exactly this and reimagines used phones into new roles. For example, last year, Samsung created portable eye exam devices with Galaxy phones for organizations in need. The Galaxy Upcycling program has won awards for its innovative approach to sustainability from the US Environmental Protection Agency, among other organizations. It encourages technology to solve our social needs while lengthening product life cycles and reducing waste. It's a recognition of our need to take responsibility and be in harmony with nature.
Thank you. How about we take a closer look at another piece of the upcycling programme? Last year, Samsung unveiled its eco-packaging, where TV boxes were repurposed as small-scale pieces of furniture. These efforts won the Innovation Award at CES 2020, and I'm pleased to announce that we plan to use eco-packaging in all our TV products in 2021. But we also wanted to find a way for you to play a bigger part in upcycling too. So this year, we'll be updating the software in used Galaxy phones and launching a new programme, Galaxy Upcycling at Home. You can decide how to repurpose your Galaxy for convenient home devices. For example, you can upcycle a Galaxy into a childcare tool. Sensors in the phone monitor the audio around your baby and send an alert if it hears crying, helping you sleep easy. And your pets benefit too. A Galaxy can become a long-distance remote, so you can turn on the lights if your pet is home alone. And with Samsung security features already built in, you can create a digitally safe home too. Through these programs, we want to inspire you to live more sustainably with an easy-to-achieve, do-it-yourself approach, allowing people who want to participate do their part in helping our planet. I'm so excited to be part of an initiative that is redefining sustainability in tech and the role your devices play today and tomorrow. This is our vision of a better, more inclusive and sustainable future, and we're working towards it every day.